Hi everyone, come along as I make these simple mini apple pies. I purchased butter, apples, cinnamon, sugar, and of course puff pastries because we're taking a shortcut. I start off by removing all the skins from my apples and chopping them into small pieces. You're going to heat up your butter and then add sugar and cinnamon and stir constantly, and then you're going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of lemon juice. If you're enjoying this simple recipe, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and come check out my channel. I have a lot of easy recipes for you. Once this mixture starts to bubble up, you're going to go ahead and add your apples, and you're going to cook your apples for about a minute, no more than that, because you don't want your apples to be too soft. And once I remove them from here, I go ahead and add a little bit more of cinnamon to that mixture. I then start to build my mini apple pies with puff pastry. I buy two because I like to make plenty since I'm already making all this mixture. And what I like to do, you'll see at the end where I'm actually brushing on some of this butter, sugar, cinnamon mixture on top of my puff pastries right before I place them in the oven. And then I go ahead and sprinkle some sugar and cinnamon on top of that. I cut some of these round and some triangles, but you can cut them whichever way you prefer. I've made them rectangular before and square, so it really doesn't matter. What matters is that that yummy apple pie filling is delicious so that you can enjoy it. This is such a perfect little treat to have with your cup of coffee in the morning or even late at night when you're wanting to have a little snack, something to eat because you've already had dinner a couple of hours ago, but you're wanting to have a little something sweet. This is perfect. I drink coffee at night, so I can have one of these at night with my cup of coffee. I enjoy it. Once you've placed your apple pie filling inside, which you can only place a little bit in there, you're going to go ahead and crank it with a fork just to make sure that it doesn't open up completely while it's baking. It may open up a little bit, but it's no big deal. But I do like to press them down a little bit just to ensure that most of it at least is cranked together. I also make a small slit on the top of these so that the steam can escape, and again it'll prevent it from actually breaking open through the side. So I used some of the glaze that I made earlier to kind of just brush them on top right before I place them in the oven. And then like I said before, I like to sprinkle with some cinnamon and sugar right before I place them in the oven. These are so absolutely delicious and so easy to make. I suggest you guys try these out. I hope you enjoyed another one of my easy recipes, and thanks for coming by. Well, I hope you enjoyed another one of my easy recipes. Please don't forget to comment and like and subscribe. And like I said before, come check out my channel. I have plenty of easy recipes for you to check out.